The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever persists in performing 12 rakat from the Sunnah, a house will be built from him in paradise. 4 rakat the Zuhr, 2 rakat after Zuhr, 2 rakat after Maghrib, 2 rakat after the Isha, and 2 rakat before Fajr." And the other place, the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever observed the practice of performing 4 rakat before Zuhr prayer and 4 rakat after the Zuhr prayer, Allah will shield him against the fire of hell." Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. It's so easy to make a place, to make a house, to make a palace in paradise, and also shield against the fire of hell. So try to perform every day. Allahu Akbar. Allah Hafiz.